Hi everyone, and welcome to ImmigrateInsight. This is a brand new channel dedicated to helping you navigate the ever-changing world of UK immigration. Today's topic is crucial for all EU citizens living in the UK after Brexit. The EU settlement scheme in 2024. We'll be diving deep into the latest updates, eligibility requirements, and what you need to do to secure your future in the UK. Did you know that as of June 2020, over 3.5 million EU citizens have applied for the EU settlement scheme? But with deadlines approaching and potential changes in 2024, it's vital to understand what's at stake. Without settled or pre-settled status, you could face difficulties accessing essential services like healthcare, education, and even employment. This is why staying informed is critical. Now, let's talk about eligibility. If you were resident in the UK by 31st December 2020, you are likely eligible for the scheme. But there are some nuances, so pay close attention. Did you have a valid residence document before that date? Were you exercising treaty rights as a worker, self-employed person, student, or a family member of an EU citizen with settled status? If you are unsure, don't panic. We'll provide resources at the end of the video to help you determine your eligibility. Obtaining settled or pre-settled status is a straightforward process, but let's walk through it step by step. First, gather your documents, your passport, proof of residence, and any other relevant paperwork. Then, head over to the official government website and submit your online application. There's a fee involved, so be prepared for that. Once submitted, you'll receive a reference number to track your application progress. Remember, applying early is key. Don't wait until the last minute to secure your future in the UK. Now, here's the exciting part. While details are still emerging, we can expect some changes in the EU settlement scheme for 2024. There's a possibility of an application window reopening for those who missed the initial deadline. Additionally, there might be adjustments to the eligibility criteria. We'll keep you updated on these developments as soon as official information becomes available. Remember, staying informed is critical for navigating UK immigration. To ensure you receive the most recent EU settlement scheme updates and other valuable immigration insights, like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon. We'll be releasing regular videos to empower you on your immigration journey. If you have any questions or specific situations you'd like us to address, leave a comment down below. Thanks for joining us at ImmigrateInsight. We are excited to help you.